Restructured commercial bank loans, 741,156,852 naira 48 kobo. That gives us the total deductions, FAC deductions of 1,354,308,176 naira 51 kobo. The net amount that came to the states after the FAC deductions came up to 12,813,309,389 naira 98 kobo. The other receipts. The first other receipt here is IGR. The IGR for August 2019 came to 926,011,556 naira 97 kobo. Funds from other sources, 300 million. Refunds from local government bailout, 16,275,010 naira 57 kobo. The total other receipts came to 1,242,286,567 naira 54 kobo. This added to the 12.8 billion that we received net from FAC, brings the total receipts received by the state for September to 14,055,595,957 naira 52 kobo. Outflows. Bank loans and contractual guarantees came to 2.355 billion. Civil servant salaries for September, 3.22 billion. Political appointee salaries came to 436,018,834 naira 33 kobo. Salary grants to tertiary institutions for the states came to 696 million. The 10% contribution for primary school salaries, for which the local governments are paying, the state's contribution came to 53,555,896 naira 41 kobo. Cost of collection provision for IGR, 83,063,633 naira 45 kobo. Cost of COT provisions, 102,435,925 naira 68 kobo. The total outflows from this section came to 7,021,450,165,061 kobo. When we take this outflow of 7 billion out of the 14 billion that the total funds that came to the state, we will have a balance of 7,034,145,791 naira 91 kobo before capital and recurrent payments. The capital and recurrent payments for the month of September came to 8,975,648,968,068 naira 67 kobo. Now, if we take the 8,975 from the 7 billion balance that we had, we will have a deficit of 1,941,503,176 naira 76 kobo. The balance brought forward from August was 401,299,609 naira 7 kobo. This leaves us with a balance, a deficit balance carried forward in September of 1,540,203,567 naira 69 kobo. That is our income and expenditure report for September 2019. Thank you.
Last week, just a few days ago, the National Deputy Spokesman of the APC asked the federal government and the Ministry of Finance to withhold a 7 billion VAT refund to Bayelsa State. Many of us, when we read that statement, were confused. Does that 7 billion actually exist? If it exists, what are the issues surrounding it?
Actually, there is a VAT refund that the state is pursuing. It is not as much as that. Somebody mentioned 7 billion. We are not expecting up to 7 billion. We are pursuing it, and we are still.
How much?
How much? We are believing that the money should not be less than 4 billion. We are believing that the money should not be less than 4 billion. But at the time that the money drops, when the transfers are made and the money drops, is when we will to. But however, it doesn't come up within this period, and that is why it's not within this report. And as usual, what the state always does, once such funds come in, definitely they will be reported accordingly in the transparency briefing.
I'd like to find out what is the total workforce of Bayelsa State as we speak.
You said the total workforce of Bayelsa. Our total workforce is in the range of 24,000. Because about 23,000, thereabouts. Now, if we also bring in, you remember the tertiary institutions have been given their own subventions. So technically, their staff are standing on their own. But if you also bring in the tertiary institutions, we are looking at the total staff strength of about 32,000. Now, the total figure, salary figure we are paying, like we mentioned before, the civil servants we are paying about 3.2 billion. Then we have the political appointees, then about 696 million for the tertiary institution, and then our contribution for primary schools. So if you look at the total salary-related payments for this month, it came to 4.48 billion. 4.48 billion for the salaries and salary-related items. But like I said, that 4.48 includes the tertiary, the grants we are making to tertiary institutions. So if we are mentioning the numbers, it's always important to distinguish. Because if you look at the real staff of Bayelsa, and if you look at the tertiary institutions, technically the tertiary institutions are now standing on their own. But we still give them subvention. So we also always try to make that distinction.
Sir, you said the capital expenditure is about 5 billion naira. We want to know the project that money is being tied to. Then that of the recurrent expenditure is about 3.something billion. We know the state just celebrated the 8th edition of the Thanksgiving, the Bayelsa Thanksgiving, which falls into the recurrent expenditure. How much does the state spend for that program? Thank you.
Now, for capital expenditures, like you said, the 5 billion, there are quite a lot of, like we said, a number of projects that the government is trying to complete, which are ongoing. Like we talked about, some of these things are, like if you look at the airport projects, which mainly some fencing and others need to be done to complete it. The Sabama Road and some of these projects. Then if you look at after Government House, by the Government House, going to the Nopa, there's a bridge that is almost, I think, by now, I think it's almost crossing. You see, so these are the projects, and then the roads to go into the southern region. These are the projects that payments are, even the Julius Venture Road you are seeing, payments are going on for these projects to move as fast as possible. Because whether there is an election or not, government is still going on to ensure that these projects can be completed. In Thanksgiving, what did the state spend? The transparency briefing we are giving today is September. And the Thanksgiving was done in November. And if you are making expenditures, like you said, if we were to answer that question, we can only answer that question when they're able to accumulate all the costs that are related to that. Unfortunately, we may not be in position to get the total cost yet. So I think that at the appropriate time, that question can come in.
This is Niger Live TV. We bring you news.
There is a mass movement
here today at Bayelsa.
Sports. Entertainment.
And the winner is
Davido!
Politics.
says, I don't know what happened, then we have to worry whether this our security is actually in the right hand.
Thank you, my younger brother.
$1 billion is to be spent now on security. How does that affect the youth of this country?
Culture.